Innovations like the industrial metaverse make the world more sustainable, and that's something we're all mindful about these days, in part because it's such a hot topic with customers, investors, regulators, even employees. When a manufacturing company aspires to do their part to make the world more sustainable, their primary goal is to minimize the environmental footprint associated with producing, operating, and servicing their products. But they soon realize you can only tweak the footprint at the margins if you start after the product design's already set. That's because, like with cost drivers, it's estimated that 80% of a product's environmental footprint is committed by engineering decisions made while the product's being designed. After those decisions are final, you're more or less stuck with that envelope. To make meaningful changes to your company's environmental footprint, then, you have to affect decisions made in the digital world in order to drive better outcomes later in the physical world. To take us deeper into the sustainability topic, I'd like to welcome Catherine Kniker, or CK as she is called, who is PTC's Chief Strategy and Sustainability Officer. CK?
Thanks, Jim. And you're absolutely right. By redirecting the sustainability focus upstream where it really needs to be, companies can enhance their engineers' awareness of the drivers of the environmental footprint that is implied in their design. This includes choices like materials, suppliers, and manufacturing and operating processes. When engineers understand the footprint associated with their design, they make choices that are far more sustainable. On the one hand, they can make today's products in a much greener way. And on the other hand, design next-generation green products. For example, Cummins is a global leader in combustion engines that's been around for over 100 years. Cummins has undertaken a bold sustainability initiative called Planet 2050. This includes a commitment to reduce the weight of its engines and to guarantee that each engine part has a circular dimension to it. To get there, Cummins is leveraging our Creo generative AI design technology to model parts that use far less material, but without sacrificing strength and durability. Now, conceptually, our generative design technology is like ChatGPT, but for 3D models rather than text. Now, making existing products greener is great, but Cummins isn't stopping there. They are also creating a fundamentally greener next-generation line of hydrogen engines. For example, in the US, converting medium and heavy-duty trucks to clean hydrogen would eliminate almost 1/4 of all greenhouse gas emissions from the transportation sector. Now, we'll be featuring Cummins, the Cummins story in our sustainability track, so you'll have the opportunity to dive in a lot deeper then. Beyond Cummins, there are many PTC customers leveraging our software to drive their sustainability programs. Vestas, who's represented in a big way here at LiveWorx, is a global leader in sustainable energy solutions and one of the leading producers of wind turbines in the world. As of 2021, wind power made up 6.5% of electricity generation, and that's a twofold increase since 2014. Last year, Vestas was named the most sustainable company in the world. Now, that's in part due to their own reduction of their footprint, but more so because of their green products, like wind turbines. Those wind turbines have helped their customers avoid billions of tons of carbon emissions. Now, Vestas is a heavy user of Creo and Windchill, and we continue to work with them to make our products better. Current areas of collaboration include composites design with Creo and adopting the type of platform strategies that Jim referred to earlier. Now, knowing that product design plays such a critical role in sustainability, we are partnering with hundreds of customers of all types and sizes. And we are equipping them with the tools to design, manufacture, and service their products more sustainably with a focus on 3 key areas: dematerialization, energy efficiency, and waste reduction. And for all the new green energy companies and other pre-revenue startups out there, we have startup programs for Creo and Onshape, including a recent change to give you Onshape for free. But that's not all. Today, I am pleased to announce new work with 2 partners that will help our customers design more sustainably. First, we're expanding our relationship with ANSYS by pursuing more integrated workflows between their Granta's material information management solution and Creo and Windchill. This will allow engineers to assess how the materials used in the product impact the product's performance, embodied carbon, and recyclability. These more integrated workflows will help engineers balance performance and environmental footprint priorities as they design their products. Now, I'm also excited to announce that we've elevated our relationship with A Priori. We will leverage A Priori's cost, manufacturability, and sustainability assessment capabilities in Creo and Windchill. So that will enable engineers to understand the implied manufacturing footprints and costs associated with their design. And then they can watch how the footprint evolves as their design changes. We have a lot more to share with you about the work we're doing with ANSYS and A Priori here at LiveWorx. Now, to close out on the sustainability topic, we recognize at PTC that we must walk the walk right alongside with our customers. So I am extremely pleased to announce that PTC has signed the Science Based Target Initiative commitment for both short and long-term greenhouse gas reductions. And we're doing this for 2 main reasons. First, we believe it's simply the right thing to do. And second, many of our customers aim to work with SBTI committed suppliers, so we now hit the mark. We look forward to sharing a lot more about sustainability over the course of this week. But for now, back over to you, Jim.
Great.